Time crunched? No problem. Quick workouts for your busy people. Did you know that nearly 70% of adults struggle to find time for regular exercise? That's almost 3/4 of us. We're juggling work, family, social lives. It's a lot. Trust me, I get it. We've all been there staring at the clock wondering how we're going to squeeze in even a quick workout. But here's the thing, you don't need a fancy gym membership or hours to spare to stay active. In this video, I'm sharing my absolute favorite 10-minute workouts designed specifically for busy people like you. Yes, you heard that right, just 10 minutes. We're going to dive into 5 super effective exercises that you can do anytime, anywhere, to boost your energy, improve your fitness, and feel amazing. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to staying active, so let's make those minutes matter. Okay, let's kick things off with a classic jumping jacks. Remember these from gym class? Don't underestimate their power. Jumping jacks are fantastic for getting your heart rate up, burning calories, and improving your cardiovascular health. And the best part? They work your entire body, legs, core, arms, you name it. To do a proper jumping jack, stand with your feet together and your arms at your sides. As you jump, step your feet out to the sides, slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and raise your arms overhead, clapping your hands together. Then jump again, returning your feet to the starting position and lowering your arms to your sides. That's 1 rep. Aim for 10 to 15 reps to start, and gradually increase the number as you get stronger. Remember to keep your core engaged throughout the exercise and don't be afraid to really put some energy into those jumps. The more you put in, the more you'll get out of it. Jumping jacks are perfect for busy days when you need a quick energy boost. Try incorporating them into your morning routine to kickstart your day, or do a set during your lunch break to combat that afternoon slump. You'll be amazed at how such a simple exercise can make such a big difference in how you feel. Now I know what you might be thinking, jumping jacks are too easy, Chloe. But hear me out, even though they're a basic exercise, they can be easily modified to fit your fitness level. If you're a beginner, start with a smaller range of motion, and gradually increase the intensity as you get more comfortable. And if you're up for a challenge, try adding some variations. You can do side-to-side jumping jacks where you alternate jumping your feet out to the sides instead of together, or for an even bigger burn, try plyo jumping jacks, where you explode off the ground with each jump. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and your body. Just get moving and have fun with it. Next up, we're hitting the floor for some push-ups. Don't worry, you don't need any fancy equipment for these, just your own body weight and a little bit of space. Push-ups are a fantastic compound exercise that works multiple muscle groups at once, including your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. To perform a push-up, start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart, fingers pointing forward, and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body down towards the floor by bending your elbows, keeping your core engaged and your back flat. Once your chest touches the floor, or as close as you can comfortably get, push yourself back up to the starting position, extending your arms fully. That's 1 rep. Aim for 8 to 10 reps to start and gradually increase the number or sets as you get stronger. Remember to maintain proper form throughout the exercise, keeping your body in a straight line and avoiding any sagging or arching in your back. Push-ups are incredibly versatile and can be easily modified to fit your fitness level. If you're new to push-ups or find them challenging, you can start with wall push-ups or incline push-ups using a bench or elevated surface. As you build strength, you can gradually progress to knee push-ups and eventually full push-ups. And for those of you who are already push-up pros, there are endless variations to challenge yourselves. Try diamond push-ups where your hands form a diamond shape beneath your chest, or decline push-ups where your feet are elevated on a bench or step. You can also add a clap at the top of each push-up for an explosive plyometric challenge. The key is to listen to your body and work at your own pace. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, there's always a way to modify push-ups to make them work for you. So, get down on the ground and start building that upper body strength. Squats, your lower body's best friend. Now let's move on to squats, the king of lower body exercises. Squats are amazing for strengthening your legs, glutes, and core, and they can even improve your balance and mobility. Plus, they're super versatile and can be done anywhere, anytime. To perform a proper squat, stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and core engaged. Now imagine you're sitting back into a chair. Hinge at your hips and bend your knees to lower yourself down. Make sure your knees track over your toes and don't collapse inward. Keep lowering yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or as low as you can comfortably go while maintaining good form. Then push through your heels to return to the starting position, extending your legs fully. That's 1 rep. Aim for 10 to 12 reps to start and gradually increase the number of sets as you get stronger. Remember, quality over quantity. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout the exercise, keeping your back straight, core engaged, and knees in line with your toes. Just like with push-ups, there are endless variations of squats to keep things interesting and challenge your muscles in new ways. You can try sumo squats, where your feet are wider apart and your toes point outward at a greater angle, targeting your inner thighs. Or, for a real burner, try jump squats, where you explode upward into a jump at the top of each rep. No matter your fitness level, there's a squat variation out there for you. Don't be afraid to start with body weight squats and gradually add weight as you progress. You can hold dumbbells, a barbell, or even just a heavy backpack to increase the intensity. Plank engage your core and build total body strength. Let's move on to a super effective exercise that targets your entire core, the plank. Don't be fooled by its seeming simplicity. The plank is a powerhouse move that strengthens your abs, back and shoulders, improves your posture, and enhances your stability. To get into a plank position, start on your hands and knees, then step your feet back one at a time, coming into a straight line from your head to your heels. Your hands should be directly beneath your shoulders, elbows slightly bent. Now here's the key: engage your core. Imagine you're pulling your belly button in towards your spine. This helps to protect your lower back and maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. Hold this position for as long as you can while maintaining proper form. Aim for 30 seconds to start and gradually increase the hold time as you get stronger. As you hold the plank, focus on keeping your body in a straight line, avoiding any sagging or arching in your back. Imagine your body as a strong, sturdy plank of wood, hence the name. If you're new to planks or find them challenging, don't worry. You can modify the exercise by dropping to your knees while maintaining a straight line from your head to your knees. This is a great way to build up your core strength until you're ready for the full plank. Once you've mastered the standard plank, there are endless variations to challenge yourself and keep things interesting. Try forearm planks, where you rest on your forearms instead of your hands, for an extra challenge to your core. You can also try side planks, which target your obliques, or plank jacks, where you jump your feet out and in while maintaining a strong plank position. Burpees, the ultimate full body blast. Get ready for the grand finale, everyone. Burpees. This exercise is the ultimate full body blast, combining cardio and strength training into one powerful move. Burpees may seem intimidating at first, but trust me, they're worth every drop of sweat. To perform a burpee, start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower yourself down into a squat position, placing your hands on the floor in front of you. Next, kick your feet back into a plank position, keeping your body in a straight line. Immediately lower your chest to the floor, as if doing a push-up. Push back up to the plank position, then jump your feet forward to land outside of your hands. Finally, explode upward into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. That's 1 rep. Aim for 8 to 10 reps to start, and gradually increase the number of sets as you get stronger. Remember to pace yourself, and focus on maintaining good form throughout the exercise. Burpees are challenging, so don't be afraid to take breaks when you need them. As with all the exercises we've covered, you can modify burpees to fit your fitness level. If you're new to burpees or find them too challenging, try stepping your feet back and forward instead of jumping. You can also omit the push-up at the bottom of the movement. As you build strength and endurance, you can gradually incorporate the more advanced variations. Conquer your fitness goals, one quick workout at a time. So there you have it. 5 super effective exercises that you can incorporate into your busy schedule starting today. Remember, even just 10 minutes of exercise can make a world of difference in how you feel, both physically and mentally. The key is to find what works best for you and make it a consistent part of your routine. And hey, fitness is a journey, not a race. Don't get discouraged if you can't do all the reps or hold the plank for as long as you'd like at first. The most important thing is to keep showing up for yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite quick workouts to squeeze into a busy day? Share your go-to exercises and tips in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video, where I'll be sharing more fitness tips for busy lives, just like yours. Until then, stay active, stay positive, and keep crushing your fitness goals. Thank you for watching Quick Workouts for Busy People.